Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Elisa, here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton, and today we'll be taking a look at this 2017 Toyota RAV4 LE. So this is a 4-door, 5-passenger, all-wheel drive SUV, and the color is called Alpine White. Under the hood, you'll find a 2.5-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 17-inch aluminum alloy wheels. Now, some of your features include your automatic high beams, and you have your rear vision camera. You also have your safety sense features like your forward collision alert and your dynamic radar cruise control, but there's a lot happening on the inside as well, so why don't we hop on in and take a look at your interior features.
Helping you into your RAV4 are these handy dandy key fobs. So you have your Viper aftermarket 2-way remote vehicle start still in the packaging, so it's brand new. You also have on your original fob your lock, your unlock, and your panic button. Pushing the unlock button once will unlock the driver door, and pushing it twice will unlock all 4. You can see there that you have your side view mirror signal indicator. That's going to be really great for heavy traffic or if you're traveling on the highway. So we're going to open this up here. We'll take a look at the interior. So it's in great shape. Lots of room to get in and out, really nice and spacious. You have some storage here in the driver's side door along with a cup holder. You also have your power windows and your locks. And then your power mirrors are situated just to the left of your steering wheel here, along with your interior dash lighting adjustment. You have your lane departure alert, and you have your rear differential lock in case you want to bring a trailer along with you. You also have 2 sets of floor mats, including your all-weather floor mats to keep your vehicle nice and clean, and this really plush, comfortable interior. It's really not hard to get comfortable for the ride in a RAV4. So we're going to open this up, or start it up for you rather. We'll take a look at the odometer and some more technology features. So really nice display, nice welcoming display. You have 11,899 kilometers on your RAV4, so lots of life left on your Toyota. On your steering wheel here, you have all of the mounted controls that you're going to want. You have your volume control and your music selection buttons there, and then you also have your hands-free calling, your voice command, and your mode changer. Right on this side here is your trip information and your central information cluster menu. So this is going to give you things like your fuel economy, all of your pre-collision system and your lane departure alert settings. You have all of the messages from your vehicle. This is your dynamic radar cruise control that you can set. So once you put on your cruise control here, this is the button that you'll be using to set the distance that you'd like to maintain to the vehicle ahead of you. So that's going to be really handy for all of those road trips that you're going to be taking. And then of course you have, again, you have your average fuel economy, your eco indicator, your 4-wheel drive, your sway warning in case you get tired. It'll tell you that you need to take a break. And of course your cruise control right down here, and your dynamic radar cruise control button, as I had mentioned before. Taking a look at your audio system now, this is the car option. This again is your trip information, your elapsed time, your fuel range, things like that. Within your audio, you do have everything that you're going to want. You have your AM, FM radio, your USB, and your audio input. You still have a CD player there if that's how you want to listen to your music. And then you have your Bluetooth audio, which gives you your hands-free calling as well with that Bluetooth. So that's going to be really handy for you. Temperature control just below that, including your air conditioning for those hot summer days. And then moving a little bit further down from there, for the cold winter months, you have your heated seats for your driver and your passenger. You also have your windshield wiper defrost button. That's going to be really handy on those frosty days. Right here, your 2 different driving modes, your eco mode and your sport mode. Fun to drive in that mode there. And then you have a 12-volt DC plug-in just in here, in case you have any other devices that you would like to charge. And then your audio input and your USB just behind that little button there. Moving a little bit further down, we do have some storage here for you. You have a couple of cup holders for you and your passenger. And again, you can go into that sport mode, which is super fun to drive that way. Moving a little bit further back, you have a double-decker center console. So this is going to give you lots of storage. And then this little mat comes out actually to make for easy cleaning. So that's not going to be a problem. Doubles as an armrest if you want to use it that way. And then right in here is a nice large glove compartment with all of the manuals that you're going to need. And just above that is this little cutout. This is really handy for your passenger to set their phone or their purse or any papers that you'd like to keep handy with you. Lots of really great things happening in the front of the RAV4. Why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo? Alrighty, so taking a look at the back of your RAV4, lots going on back here as well. You do have your rear windshield wiper for that unpredictable Alberta weather. You also have your rear vision camera just there, like we had mentioned before. And I'm going to open this up and I'm going to show you the cargo area, because there's lots and lots of cargo room in here, really nice and spacious. Under here is your spare tire with all of the tools and jacks that you're going to need. You know, gosh forbid anything happen to you while you're on the road, but if it does, you do have those tools to get you back to safety. And you also have your cargo cover here, so that's going to be really handy if you want a little bit of privacy, if you're doing a large shopping trip, or if you just don't want people looking into your cargo section. And I'm going to put these seats down so you can see just how much space there is with those seats lying flat. So there's your first seat down. As you can see, with that 60-40 split, you can carry something a little bit longer and still fit 2 people in the back comfortably, or you can carry something even wider and still fit a 3rd person in your vehicle. And I'm just going to put those other seats down. So there you have it, a nice amount of room back here if you have to carry something a little bit larger. Another great feature is your cargo cover fits right in here nicely, so you can take it along with you. You don't have to store it in your garage or in your apartment or anything like that. You can take it along for the ride, so it's available to you when you need it. And when you're finished loading in all of your gear, we'll pull this down nice and easy, nice and light. And we'll give you a nice view of the back of your RAV4.
Giving you a final view then of the 2017 Toyota RAV4 LE. You can see that those back windows are a little tinted to give your passengers and your cargo just a bit of privacy. Now, there's so much happening that I didn't get a chance to go through on this brief walk around, so come on in, take it for a test drive, ask all of the questions. We're here to help. We're very easy to find. We're on the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. My name is Elisa. Thanks again for watching, and until we see you, drive safe.